Hi, welcome to HardReset.info channel. Now I will show you how to set up parental control, family link in my case, on Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE. Okay, at the very beginning you need to log out for all Google accounts on your tablet. Go settings, open accounts and backup. Manage accounts, open Google account and choose remove account. Okay, confirm your pattern log. Fine. And now you need to log in on Samsung Galaxy Tab to child's account. Then then tap add account, choose Google, wait a while, enter child's email, choose next, enter child's account password, choose next, I agree, yes, accept, fine. And now you need to go to Google settings, choose Google in settings, scroll down and tap parental controls, choose get started, tap child or teenager, next. Please wait. Choose account, choose child's account here. And now you need to enter your parents' email. In my case, it's HardReset.info YT and choose next. And type your parents' password. Fine, now choose go, wait a while, choose more, and here you need to enter child's password from child's account. In my case, HardReset.info gmail.com, and now I need to enter this password. Then choose agree, allow supervision, and choose next. Here you need to choose what apps your parent can manage. Okay, I can choose Gmail or Google Maps. I can't enable all Google application, disable all Google application. And now choose next, wait a while, choose next, skip, more, review controls. Okay, fine. Now on parent's phone you need to go to Google Play Store, then search here family link, open family link, install it and open. Here you will see your child's account, choose it and fine. Family link is successfully set up, and now you can block apps, block device, and choose schedules. You can set up schedules. You can set up bedtime and bedtime for apps. For example, I can choose operating Galaxy Tab FE. I can lock this device for break. I can take bonus time, 5 minutes, for example, and for 5 minutes this tablet will be unlocked. And it's all. Thank you for watching. Subscribe our channel, like this video, and goodbye. See you.